Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're navigating the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, perfect for quick transfers without wild price swings. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Bitrue set up on your device. Open Trust Wallet and head to your wallet dashboard. Locate your USDT balance. It's usually under the Tokens section, and selected to prepare for the transfer. Next, switch over to Bitrue. Log in to your account and go to the Deposit or Wallet section. Choose USDT as the asset, and double-check the network it's on, like Tron or ERC20, to match your Trust Wallet setup. Copy the deposit address provided by Bitrue. Don't skip this step. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on Send for your USDT. Paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the details carefully. Always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Before you hit Confirm, take a quick look at any transaction fees. These can vary based on the network, so ensure you have enough funds. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Bitrue account to confirm the USDT has arrived. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Remember, security is key in crypto. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Trust Wallet to Bitrue. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and keep building your crypto knowledge.